Hans Moleman Productions presents Man Getting Hit by Football.
Holding number 63. 10-yard penalty.
This is Gronkowski on second down. It's
Live
buried
ball.
in the back. It's a live football. Marcel Reese puts it in and cuts it up. Boy, the presence of mind. And that pass hit the umpire. Oh, boy. That hurt. I think
Chargers in Baltimore, 4-1. First down and run as Sean Green runs through the umpire. Fitzpatrick rolling and going to go deep. Has a man open down the middle. It is caught. Caught by Nate Washington, and he's going to go for the touchdown after the collision at the 30.
On second and 8 now. That pass intercepted. Thrown right at Jimmy Smith. And now the ball pops free. Looking for the ball inside the 5. He's got it.
Was expecting. He opens up the door for Dominic Rodgers-Cromartie. You're not going to catch it.
When the players was running over, he ended up clipping Andre Wash, the umpire who was placing down the officials. Injured there, the umpire.
Bradford has to scramble.
Him to the ground.
Percy Harvin on the return for the Vikings. Harvin across midfield. Cuts back inside.
Oh, Jeff Reed, you're going to get in trouble on this one.
The second kickoff return for a touchdown.
This contest is over. Give that man the $10,000.